The National Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Dickey County in southeastern North Dakota, eastern McIntosh County in southeastern North Dakota, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:12 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles northeast of Ashley to 8 miles northwest of Spring Creek Colony, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Ashley, Maricourt City, Monongo, and Maricourt. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. For southeastern North Dakota,